federal judge today ruling multiple leaders, including the governor and attorney general, were the targets of a criminal investigation over their opposition to Operation Metro Surge. Our chief political reporter, Tom Hauser, is live at the Capitol right now with more on the impact of this ruling. Tom.
Yeah, Leah, it is a sweeping victory for multiple Democratic leaders in the state of Minnesota who were all subpoenaed by the U.S. Justice Department in a criminal investigation. Now, this ruling that just came out today essentially says the Justice Department's investigation was politically motivated. The court ruling essentially says political opposition to Operation Metro Surge is not a crime. The U.S. Justice Department suffering a stinging defeat in federal court over efforts to indict several Minnesota state and city leaders over their opposition to the immigration enforcement operation last winter. Subpoenas aimed at Governor Tim Walz, Attorney General Keith Ellison, and the mayors of St. Paul and Minneapolis were all quashed by a federal judge.
Dissent is not criminal. Criticism of a government is not a crime.
Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey hailed the ruling, which said, in part, initiating a criminal investigation in order to harass political opponents is a blatantly unlawful and unethical use of the grand jury process.
The Department of Justice was, in fact, weaponized against local elected officials and state leaders with the goal of silencing dissent.
In a statement, Governor Walz called the ruling a victory for the rule of law and our democracy.
A judge appointed by a Republican president saying, too far, this is inappropriate, it's political retribution.
Larry Jacobs of the U of M Humphrey School of Public Affairs says the ruling leaves no gray area, as it says the evidence that the challenge subpoenas were issued for unlawful reasons is overwhelming. Doesn't get much more straightforward than that.
The judge is absolutely slamming the Justice Department under Donald Trump.
Now, this ruling was issued by a Republican-appointed judge, as we pointed out, Patrick Schultz, who was appointed by President George W. Bush. This likely ends the matter, but we did reach out to the U.S. Justice Department today, and a spokesperson declined comment. Live at the state capitol, Tom Hauser, 5 Eyewitness News.
And Tom, the reaction to that move from a federal judge, it continues to pour in tonight. In a statement, Attorney General Keith Ellison says in part, it should disturb every American that Donald Trump is weaponizing the criminal justice system against people he disagrees with. St. Paul Mayor Collie Herr also responding, saying, we remain committed to protecting our neighbors and legally ensuring that intimidation never dictates how we serve the people who call St. Paul home. The subpoenas are just part of the action taken in Minnesota since the start of the year. Vice President J.D. Vance has separately called on the Justice Department to investigate Walz and Ellison over allegations they failed to stop widespread social services fraud. The department hasn't said whether it will open an investigation. Other legal battles related to the immigration surge are still ongoing, including multiple lawsuits from Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty surrounding evidence and charges against ICE agents. 5 Eyewitness News will continue to follow all of the latest developments in these multiple cases, and you can read today's full ruling from that federal judge. You'll find it with this story in the KSTP app.